Welcome back to the second half of the program. Before starting the performances, we would like to felicitate the accompanying artists. A role of the accompanying musicians is crucial as their contribution adds elegance and depth to the entire performance. Firstly, I would like to call Varsha Anantraman on Carnatic vocal. She is a qualified instrumentation engineer and a lawyer. She is also a Sangeet and Nritya Visharad. She is a Bharatnatyam dancer and Carnatic as well as Hindustani classical vocalist. She is known for her extensive rendition of Abhangavani. She is trained in Kalakshetra style of Bharatnatyam under Padma Bhushan Guru V.P. Dhananjayan and Shanta Dhananjayan. She has been providing vocal support to dance recitals by very popular and learned gurus. She is a recipient of number of awards, the Rotary Excellence Award, the Pancharatna Award, Kala Gaurav Puraskar, to name a few. I would like I would like to call Pancham Upadhyay on percussion instrument, a disciple of late Vidwan T.A.S. Mani, late Vidwan Prapancham Ravindran, and presently learning under Vidwan Sumesh Narayan. Pancham Upadhyay is a multi-talented percussion artist. He is also learning tabla from Pandit Ramdasji Parsule and was also trained under late Pandit Gajanan Hegde. Pancham is conferred with Junior Kalashri Award in Tabla by Karnataka government. He has won the National Youth Festival twice. He has received a scholarship by CCRT Delhi and Karnataka Nritya Sangeet Academy. He regularly accompanies various concerts and dance programs playing mridangam, ghatam, khanjira, tabla and chende. Next, I would like to call Shri Sunil Avsat sir who was on flute. He is a disciple of Pandit Arvind Gajendra Gadkar and Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia. He is an A-grade approved artist of All India Radio and empaneled artist of ICCR. He is the winner of prestigious awards like Lata Mangeshkar Puraskar by Home India Group and Pandit Rohini Bhate Award by Pune Municipal Corporation. He has performed in front of Prime Minister Modi ji. He has also created many musical albums and has produced several flute-based thematic concerts. On violin, we have Sri Madhu Ramankutti. He is a student of Srimati Sunita Harishankar and Sri Nedu Mangad Sivanandan. He has been performing on violin for the past 15 years while working as a software engineer. On Hindustani vocals, we have Srimati Meenal Pongshe. She is a disciple of Dr. Sudha Patwardhan. She has won many accolades for her beautiful singing since her college days. Her melodious voice has added to the beauty of programs like Gani Bahina Bainchi and Mogara Fulala. She has performed in over 300 shows of the famous program Bhupali Te Bhairavi. On synthesizer, we have Mr. Rajesh Jirpe. He has learned piano from the Modern Institute of Music in Pune. He works as a music teacher in the Blue Ridge Public School in Hinjawadi for the past 15 years. Along with synthesizer, he is also an expert in playing harmonium, pianica, mouth organ, drum set and congo. He is a part of the troupe Shivagan, which celebrates the victory songs of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This program was presented at Jhansi, Kanpur, Gwalior, and Agra recently. I would like to request Mrs. Dipali Vaidya to felicitate Rajesh sir. Now, I would like to call today's dancers to felicitate Suvarnatai. I would also like to thank Shri Sushrut Joshi for lights, Shri Jape for the sound system, for videography, Shri Kedar Godbole, for stage photography, Shri Kishore Gumaste, Radhika Parkar for the makeup, Mrs. Neha Desai for beautiful rangoli, Mrs. Nehal Desai for beautiful rangoli. Radhika Parkar for makeup, Now, I would like to call today's dancers to felicitate Suvarnatai. I would like to call Vajjala family to felicitate Suvarnatai. Now, I would like to request Suvarnatai to felicitate all three dancers. Now, I hand over the mic to Shrihita, Shravani, and Tina to express their feelings about today's program. Namaste.
We are Shravani.
Shrihita.
Tina. As the first half is over, we would like to share our journey with this dance, the three of us and our beloved Thai.
At first, we were three strangers awkwardly side eyeing each other. Then we joined the same batch, and suddenly age difference did not matter. Now we have become inseparable friends.
We still remember. We still remember when last year in the month of March, how Thai texted in a class group about having Arangetram of our class students. And since then, we started our preparations for this day.
Our Arangetram preparations have been an emotional roller coaster, which included our friends and batchmates who encouraged us and also secretly enjoyed watching us mess up.
Then comes our family who supported us in the form of eat more, unit energy like every Desi parent could do, and clapped even though we were still perfecting the steps.
Now comes Thai, who isn't just a teacher, but also a mentor, guide, and through time has become part of our family. Being sweet and loving, she also has made sure that we would not mess up the tal. Like when practicing Jatiswaram, she said she would never speak to us. It had a huge impact on us, and ever since we tried our best to perfect it.
This journey has been more than just dance. It's about friendship and impressive ability to smile through muscle pain during our practices, even when our legs ache and exhaustion weighted us down. We never gave up. We mastered the art of looking graceful and perfecting the I swear I am not out of breath phase.
Knowing that one day we would look back and smile at each other and be grateful for every drop of sweat, every struggle, and all the moments we shared. These were the days that Thai shaped us. We knew that no matter how tough it felt at the moment, we would never regret giving our all. Instead, we would hold these memories close to our hearts, knowing they made who we are today. As we move forward, we'll continue to dance, laugh, and pretend our joints aren't creaking like an old door.
On behalf of the three of us, a heartfelt thanks to Thai, our parents, musicians, and technical team, along with the anchors who kept the show flowing smoothly. Also, would love to thank all our batchmates and the people who helped us backstage, and most importantly, to the audience, because let's be honest, without you all, we'd just be three people dancing in a big dark room. Thank you.
सगळ्यांसाठी एक छोटीशी सूचना माहिती. नाट्यशास्त्र हा भरतमुनींनी लिहिलेला प्राचीन ग्रंथ. नृत्याच्या प्रत्येक अभ्यासकाकडे असायला हवी अशी या ग्रंथाची सोप्या भाषेतली ओळख करून देणारं पुस्तक आज विक्रीसाठी आपल्या इथे बाहेर उपलब्ध आहे. परिचय नाट्यशास्त्राचा हे पुस्तक बाहेरच्या बाजूला विक्रीसाठी उपलब्ध आहे. तर ज्यांना ते घेण्यात इंटरेस्ट आहे त्यांनी बाहेर सेल्स काउंटरवर ते पुस्तक आहे. डॉक्टर मंजुषा गोखले ह्या त्या पुस्तकाच्या लेखिका आहेत आणि त्याची किंमत 200 रुपये आहे. तर नक्की यावर्जून तुम्ही ते पुस्तक घ्या. आता आपण कार्यक्रमाच्या उत्तरार्धाला सुरुवात करूयात. कार्यक्रमाच्या उत्तरार्धाची सुरुवात कीर्तनम या रचनेने होत आहे. ही रचना शुद्ध नर्तन आणि अभिनय प्रदर्शनातून देवतेची स्तुती करण्यासाठी केली जाते. भक्ती हा स्थायीभाव असलेली ही रचना अनेकदा मध्यम लयीमध्ये आणि सुगम रागामध्ये बांधलेली आहे.
Today's Kirtanam is composed by Kalai Mamani Dr. Saraswati. It praises Lord Krishna and how the music of his flute enchants everyone around him. The cattle grazing in the field forget to graze. The honeybees forget to drink nectar from the flowers, and the young gopis are overwhelmed with joy when they hear Krishna's flute and start searching for him. This popular Kirtanam is set in Raga Malika and Adi Tal. The choreography is by Suvarnatai.
आता अभिनयपद सादर करण्यासाठी आपल्यासमोर टीना येत आहे. सौ दीपाली वैद्य आणि अमित वैद्य यांची मुलगी टीना. वयाच्या 7व्या वर्षापासून ती सुवर्णाताईकडे भरतनाट्यम शिकत आहे. भरतनाट्यममध्ये विशारद पूर्ण परीक्षेची ती सध्या तयारी करत आहे. SB पाटील कॉलेज ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर आणि डिझाईनमध्ये ती आर्किटेक्चरच्या पहिल्या वर्षात शिकत आहे. आर्ट, क्राफ्ट आणि पेंटिंग याची आवड असलेली टीना अतिशय मेहनती आहे. भरतनाट्यममुळे तिच्या व्यक्तिमत्वामध्ये आत्मविश्वास आणि संयम येण्यासाठी खूप मदत झाली असं तिला वाटतं. तिला तिच्या पुढील वाटचालींसाठी खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आता टीना आपल्यासमोर एक मराठी पद सादर करणार आहे. भारतीय परंपरेत रामायण आणि महाभारत या काव्यांना फार मोठं महत्त्व आहे. यातल्या नायक नायिका आजही आपल्याला मार्गदर्शक ठरतात. भरतमुनींनी वर्णन केलेली लहान वयाची निरागस मुग्धा नायिका स्वयंवराला उभ्या असणाऱ्या सीतेच्या रूपात आपल्याला दिसते. श्री रामचंद्रांची सावळी मूर्ती पाहून प्रेमभावनेच्या मुग्ध तरंगांनी बावरलेली सीता आता सादर होत आहे. सादर आहे पदम लाजली सीता स्वयंवराला, पाहुनी रघुनंदन सावळा.
लाजली सीता स्वयंवराला, पाहुनी रघुनंदन सावळा. लाजली सीता स्वयंवराला, पाहुनी रघुनंदन सावळा.
Next padam will be presented by Shrihita Vajjala, daughter of Srimati Lakshmi Aparna and Sri Chandrasekhar Vajjala. Shrihita has shown a deep passion for learning the art of Bharatnatyam since the age of 5. She has successfully completed her Visharad Pratham and is currently preparing for Visharad Purna. She is presently studying in grade 11 at Symbiosis Junior College. She considers Bharatnatyam her great passion and plans to continue her journey with unwavering dedication under the guidance of Suvarna Tai. Lots of blessings for her future endeavors. Shrihita will now present a padam composed by Maharaja Sri Swati Tirunal. In this padam, the Naika is expressing her feelings to Lord Krishna and requesting him to join her in beautiful garden. This padam is a sweet dialogue which is all about happiness and love. She says, O Krishna, come to the Kunjanamo, where you and I can be together. See the beautiful flowers bloom and adorn the place. Listen to the cuckoo singing. Yes, it is saying that you and me together are the best. Presenting Chaliye Kunjanamo in Rag Vrindavani Sarang and Adi Tal. This dance piece is choreographed by Suvarna Tai.
Ah श्याम प्रभु चलिए कुंज में चलिए कुंज में चलिए कुंज
या अतिशय मनमोहक रचनेनंतर आता आपल्यासमोर एक अभिनयपद सादर करण्यासाठी येत आहे श्रावणी. सौ तृप्ती आणि श्री अरविंद सरदेसाई यांची कन्या श्रावणी वयाच्या 9व्या वर्षापासून सुवर्णताईचे मार्गदर्शन घेत आहे. तिनेही विशारद प्रथम परीक्षा यशस्वीरित्या पूर्ण केली आहे आणि आता ती विशारद पूर्णची तयारी करत आहे. डॉक्टर DY पाटील बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी अँड बायो इन्फॉर्मॅटिक्स इन्स्टिट्यूटमधून MTech बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी या पदवीचं ती शिक्षण घेत आहे. पोहणे आणि प्रवास करणे याची तिला विशेष आवड आहे. श्रावणी अतिशय प्रामाणिक आणि मेहनती आहे. तिच्या नृत्य साधनेच्या प्रवासासाठी तिला खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आता श्रावणी आपल्यासमोर सादर करत आहे जा सांग लक्ष्मणा. कवी वसंत बापट यांचं हे अतिशय हृदयस्पर्शी गीत आहे. प्रभू श्रीरामांच्या आज्ञेनुसार लक्ष्मण जेव्हा सीता मातेला वनात सोडतो त्यावेळेस सीतेच्या मनात उठलेले भावनांचे वादळ कवी वसंत बापट यांनी नेमक्या शब्दात यथोच्चपणे मांडले आहे. सादर आहे जा सांग लक्ष्मणा.
It was a really mesmerizing performance. I would like to request you all to have a round of applause for all three dancers of today. Before we conclude today's recital, I would like to express gratitude on behalf of Kala Sadhana Bharatnatyam Academy, Suvarnatai, Sardesai, Vajjala and Vaidya family to each and everyone who has contributed in making this program a success. I thank all the accompanying artists, Srimati Varsha Anantraman and Srimati Meenal Pongshe for the vocal support, Shri Pancham Upadhyay for percussion instruments, Shri Sunil Avsat for flute, Shri Madhu Ramankutti for violin and Shri Rajesh Jirpe for synthesizer. We are grateful to Mr. Ajit Patil, Mr. Ketan Karkhanis and Mr. Bhausai Bhoir who were of great help to get the booking of Ramkrishna More Natya Gruha. We also like to thank Mona Tai Kulkarni who helped us with booking of practice hall. I would also like to thank Shri Sushrut Joshi for lights, Shri Jape for sound system, for videography Shri Kedar Godbole, for stage photography Shri Kishore Gumaste and for photography on invitation card Shri Meenal Patil. For the beautiful invitation card design Mrs. Prachi Nargolkar, Radhika Parkar for the makeup, for costumes Raju Bhai from Mumbai, Mrs. Neha Desai for beautiful rangoli. All the volunteers who helped with stage decoration and arrangement on stage and backstage, Radhika, Zai, Ketaki, Varadatai, Vaibhavi, Advi, Abha, Ishita, Harshita, Tanvi, Khushi and Anushri. I also thank the management of Ramkrishna More Natya Gruha for cooperation. Now I would like to call Zai for next recital.
आता आपण कार्यक्रमाचा शेवटचा आता आपण कार्यक्रमाच्या शेवटाकडे वळूयात. भरतनाट्यम नृत्य कार्यक्रमातील शेवटचा टप्पा म्हणजेच तिल्लाना. हिंदुस्थानी संगीतातल्या तराणा या रचनेशी समांतर असलेली ही रचना आहे. तिल्लानामध्ये स्वर, ताल, लय व बोल हे वातावरण निर्मिती करतात. तिल्लाना दिरन, तनन, तानी, तोम अशा प्रकारच्या बोलांची रागात बांधलेली तालबद्ध रचना आहे. पल्लवी, अनुपल्लवी, चरणम अशी तिल्लानाची मांडणी आहे. तिल्लाना म्हणजेच नृत्याचा मापदंड. तिल्लानाच्या शेवटी चरणम साहित्यावर शब्दांच्या अर्थानुसार अभिनय केला जातो. आता प्रस्तुत होणाऱ्या तिल्लानामध्ये साहित्य भक्तांवर कृपा करणाऱ्या कामाक्षी देवीचे वर्णन करणारे आहे. सादर आहे तिल्लाना, राग हिंदोळम, ताल खंड 1. तिल्लानालाच जोडून मंगळम ही रचना सादर होईल. नृत्य देवता नटराज, प्रेक्षक, गुरु व साथसंगत करणाऱ्या सर्व कलाकारांप्रती कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करण्यासाठी मंगळम केलं जातं. सादर आहे तिल्लाना आणि मंगळम.
आ